Massive political storm has erupted in Parliament after a staggering cash recovery from a judge's residence. The opposition is demanding answers while the government is on the defensive. Heated debates, disruptions and slogans filled the house today.
एक जज जिसके घर में पैसे मिले और उसका चिंदी चिंदी
पर आप बोल चुके मानिए
उस बात को
बोल चुके
उस बात को सप्रेस करने के लिए
proper probe has to be taken and action has to be served. The only point here is in the entire judicial history, I don't think any of the judges have been impeached.
The Supreme Court Collegium has passed a resolution to transfer Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma back to Allahabad High Court. Transfer is proposed keeping in mind that Justice Yashwant Verma is the second senior most judge in Delhi High Court, which and still is a part of Collegium, and keeping in mind that the incident occurred in Delhi, it would be appropriate that the Collegium considers his transfer. Today, the Supreme Court Collegium has finally passed a resolution recommending his transfer back to Allahabad High Court. However, this will only come into effect after centre's approval.
Meanwhile, Allahabad High Court Bar Association has dug in its heels, refusing to take back Justice Verma.
उनका किसी भी तरह से ट्रांसफर दिल्ली के बाहर हम अपोज करते हैं। दूसरा है सीजीआई साहब से रिक्वेस्ट की गई है कि तुरंत सीबीआई को परमिट करें, ईडी और सीबीआई को कि वो एफआईआर दर्ज करें।
Rajya Sabha Chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar held a meeting with Leader of House JP Nadda and the Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge on judicial accountability. They have decided to await the outcome of the CJI appointed in-house inquiry panel before taking up the issue further.
It is for the first time since independence that a Chief Justice has, in a transparent, accountable manner, put all material available to him in public domain and shared it without keeping anything with the court. This is a step in the right direction.
Absolute chaos in both houses of the parliament as opposition MPs served adjournment notices over the recent recovery of cash haul from a sitting Delhi High Court judge's residence. The opposition is calling for a judicial probe alleging a deep nexus of corruption. The government, on the other hand, stated that law will take its own course. Meanwhile, Rajya Sabha Chairperson held a meeting between the LOP and the Leader of the House, stating that judiciary is in the right direction. This is Aishwarya Jain with the journalist Ashok Mahale for NDTV in Delhi.